In Britain during the 90s, the number of students in higher education will increase dramatically. Recognising this fact, Liverpool Polytechnic has embarked upon a major programme of change. We believe that the future of higher education lies in the effective combination of traditional teaching methods with emerging media integration technologies. This strategy forms the cornerstone of our extensive learning resources project. One of the primary aims of this project is to address the increasingly important balance between individual and collective learning. At the core of this exciting new initiative lies Theseus. Theseus is a highly innovative multimedia authoring system which can be extensively networked. The system requires no programming skills and is as easy to use as a word processor. Its intuitive interface is clear and well designed, allowing maximum flexibility with minimum complexity. Theseus allows you to create and manage a database of interactive multimedia objects which can take the form of text, sound, graphics, video and animation. And you can also combine any of these to create more complex interactive objects. One of the most powerful aspects of Theseus is that it allows both tutor and student to control the learning process in line with their individual needs. It allows students to study at a time and, more importantly, at a pace which suits them, and its built-in self-assessment capability will enable them to monitor their own progress. By utilising the benefits afforded by media integration, a tutor's role becomes all the more valuable. Theseus allows you to both create and publish your own educational materials. A teacher can create short video sequences, annotate them with text or speech, then publish them on the Theseus network for use in interactive lessons. These objects can then be incorporated into tutorials and essays by any network user, thereby creating subject-related pathways through the database. These pathways help the user to find meaningful associations between different sources of information. In this way, Theseus becomes a comprehensive information resource spanning an ever-increasing number of subjects. While disciplines that lend themselves to visual-based learning are especially suited to multimedia, the Theseus model can be applied to any subject successfully. Course materials already enable students to explore modern art, the natural world, and textile design and manufacture. Complete courses in other subjects are also currently in development. Flexibility is the key to good service in education. Rethinking the traditional methods of course delivery means redefining the learning environment. The Theseus model allows you to do this efficiently and successfully. By the end of 1994, Liverpool Polytechnic will have 200 Theseus workstations accessing as many as 5 million frames of QuickTime digital video over a fibre optic network. Throughout the 90s, the widespread adoption of the Theseus model will bring about a major transformation in the delivery of open and flexible learning. By the end of the century, students will be able to connect directly into Theseus from their homes, and access will also be available to industry and the general public. A high bandwidth network will be in place, connecting educational establishments all over the UK and eventually Europe. This is the most powerful aspect of Theseus. As a result of developing standard formats for the production of interactive teaching materials, users will be able to access and utilise educational resources anywhere on the network. By sharing resources in this way, this system will enable many more people to benefit from the wide range of courses that educational establishments have to offer. In the 80s, information was the liberator of business. In the 90s, information will be the liberator of people. This is why Liverpool Polytechnic's Theseus project has its sights firmly set on achieving the ultimate goal of creating a new vision for higher education in the 21st century.